Oh yeah, this is my favorite cookies right here in the whole wide world. Can't find mine. They're around here somewhere, but luckily I got the greatest dad ever, and he went out and bought me some to try to ease my mind. Now, let's try to open these bad boys. Okay, so it says open here. Let's see if it's disabled friendly. I'll just grab it right here. Oh, not that bad. It ain't too hard to open. Wow, spoke too soon, I guess. It's really hard when you can barely use your hands to begin with. It doesn't look like I even broke the seal anywhere. Oh man, really? Maybe I could do it from the other side? Oh look, there it is. Nice. Flip them over. Here we go. Oh, not again. They really don't want people eating their cookies, do they? Oh, crap. Looks like a job for some scissors. I cannot get into this bad boy. Let's get some scissors. Nope, wait. I just found an opening. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Excited. These are my favorite. Oh. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, there's the gold. Sorry I dropped the camera, but there's the gold. Oh yeah. Ooh. Which one do you like? Pink or yellow? Huh? Pink or yellow? Which one? As for me, I like them both. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. That's what.